Using Z-Downloader to send firmware to your printer. First, connect your printer to your computer using a USB cable. Open the Z-Downloader application. Select the Printer tab and click Auto Detect. Once the list of printers displays, select your printer, which should show with a USB as the port. Select the File tab and then click Select Firmware File. Browse to the location where you saved the firmware file. Select the firmware file and then click Open. From the menu, choose Printer and select Download All. This is where you need to wait. It will take a few minutes to download while the progress message displays. With larger files, the data light will continue to flash until the file is complete. It's very important that you allow the firmware download process to complete before taking any system or printer action. Interrupting the printer during a firmware download could cause unexpected consequences. Once the download is complete, there are verification and decompression steps that may occur without any indication. Wait for the printer to restart and print a configuration label. You can confirm the new firmware version on the configuration label. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other videos on how to use your ZT230 printer.